Hi, welcome to my channel. Join me for a one-day journey to the Italian city of Bergamo. My Ryanair flight departed from Budapest at 6 a.m. The flight time was supposed to be 1 hour and 20 minutes, but due to the heavy fog covering Bergamo, we finally arrived around 8 a.m. After arriving, I embarked on several hours of sightseeing, with a pizza stop along the way. For the sightseeing, I used a digital travel guide purchased from getyourguide.com. I'll include the link in the description. The first stop, Della's at the Rocca di Bergamo. The Rocca di Bergamo is a historic fortress located in the upper part of Bergamo, known as Città Alta. Rocca is offering stunning views of the city and the surrounding countryside. The Rocca is surrounded by green parks and walls, making it a perfect spot for walks and relaxation. The next stop was the Antico Lavatio. The Antico Lavatio is a historic public washing place located in the Città Alta district of Bergamo. It was once an essential part of everyday life for the local community. Built in the 19th century, it served as a communal laundry space for the residents. Beyond its practical purpose, it was also a hub of social interaction, where people met, chatted, and exchanged news. Visiting the Antico Lavatio feels like a journey back in time, offering a glimpse into life in Bergamo before the advent of modern technology. The next stop on my walk was the Piazza Vecchia. Piazza Vecchia is located in the heart of Bergamo's upper town, Città Alta, and is one of the city's most significant and beautiful squares. The square has been the political, social, and cultural center of Bergamo for centuries. The square is in the Renaissance style. A short walk from the square takes you to the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore and the Colleoni Chapel, which are two of Bergamo's most prominent religious and artistic landmarks. In the center of the square stands the Contarini Fountain, which was built in 1780 and is one of the iconic features of the square. After that, I continued my walk along Via Bartolomeo Colleoni. Via Bartolomeo Colleoni is a famous street in Bergamo's Città Alta, upper town. The street is named after Bartolomeo Colleoni, a renowned Italian military leader and commander of the Venetian Republic. The street is narrow, winding, and exudes a historic atmosphere, with numerous shops, restaurants, and cafes offering visitors an authentic Italian city experience. After that, I had a delicious pizza at Circolino Città Alta. Circolino Città Alta is a popular local restaurant and cafe offering traditional Italian dishes in a cozy setting. Located in the heart of the historic district, it's an ideal spot to relax during your exploration of the city, whether for a meal or a coffee. The place attracts both locals and tourists who want to enjoy the local flavors and the friendly atmosphere. In the meantime, we arrived at the Cittadella Viscontea. The Cittadella Viscontea is a historic fortress built in the 14th century under the rule of the Visconti family. The fortress played a significant role in the city's defense system and was one of the most important fortifications of medieval Bergamo. Within the fortress, there are several museums and exhibitions that showcase Bergamo's medieval history and the role of the Visconti family in the city's development. After a short detour to a local market, I headed to Bergamo's famous funicular, the Funicolare San Vigilio. This funicular connects Bergamo Città Alta, Upper Town, with the San Vigilio Hill, which rises above the city. The funicular is not only a practical mode of transportation, but also offers a stunning panoramic view. The funicular can be used with the 24-hour ticket, so there's no need to purchase a separate ticket. You can buy the 24-hour ticket through the ATB mobile app. After arriving at the top of San Vigilio Hill by funicular, let's visit the Castello di San Vigilio. The Castello di San Vigilio is a medieval fortress located at the summit of San Vigilio Hill in the Città Alta, Upper Town, area of Bergamo. The castle was an important part of the city's defense system and today serves as an impressive historical site. Next to the funicular station is the Barretto restaurant, where even little bears like to gather for a good meal. After that, I took a ride on the red line of the city sightseeing train, which goes through the Lower Town A. I'll include the link to this program in the description, but it's better to buy the tickets at the stop, as they're half price compared to the online price. I ended the day at the Christmas market, which took place in early December. It wasn't very large, but it was quite crowded. Thank you for joining me. If you'd like to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe.